Okay, live na tayo. Hello everyone. Magandang gabi from here, from Spain, o magandang umaga if you are in the other side of the world. Nandito na naman kami for another episode ng EU-based Unstoppable Pinay Digital Entrepreneur. So, pang 13th episode na ito. Yung nalagay ko ay 14, pero pang 13th episode ko lang ito. So, tatlo kami. Ang isa naming kasama hinihintay pa nating papasok. So, she's a very busy woman. So, today, ang aming i-share sa inyo ay most reason why to start this online business. Isa sa mga rason o maraming reason. There's top reason here kung ano yung kung bakit gusto mo mag-start ng online business namin. So before that, we would like to introduce my business partner. Hi Tin, how are you? Good evening.
Good evening. Thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you all over the world. And thank you, Michelle, for hosting this one.
You're welcome.
Na-miss kita. It's been a
Yeah,
week.
lagi tayo naghahabol ng oras. Naghahabol kami ng oras. Lalo na si Tin. Congratulations, Tin. You are
Thank
growing so
you.
much in your business. Congratulations.
Thank you. And thank you for your support and help, of course. Anytime nandyan ka lagi. Maraming. And that's the good thing about this community kasi even though we are not on the same country or on the same side or in the same team, we tend to support each other. And thank you so
Yeah,
much for those support.
you're welcome. So, ako naman si Michelle, dito ako naka-site sa Spain. So, more than 31 months na ako na digital business owner. So, I love my work, I love my business, and every day mayroon ako mga scheduled na go live with other business partner, na mga accountability partners ko, and then the same time I do my own go live. And right now I am in 90 days challenge na napaka-busy namin. So, I guess 2 weeks that we didn't do our ang episode namin na ito. But by the way, we are happy that we are here. So, maraming reason why to start an online business. Our own online business. So, para sa akin, number one dyan is being automation. Automation yung aming uh, marami ka kasing matutunan with you go inside tapos automation yung process while you are sleeping 24/7 nagwo-work yung business mo. Pag i-run mo yung business mo, naka-plug in yan, nagwo-work yung business mo where even you are not in front of your computer. So, meron kami mga automation na business. So, yun yung pinakamaganda sa business na to. I guess, para sa akin, yan yung number one reason why I joined this business. Tapos, beside of it, we have number two reason for me is the community support. Yung tulong ng mga kapwa naming business partners sa iba't ibang um, bansa, no? Kasi marami din kaming mga lahi dito, iba't ibang lahi na nandito sa business na to. Tapos, imagine that minsan pag may tanong ka about sa business na hindi mo na unawaan or may mali kang nagawa or you're confused for something, you can reach out. Pwede mo mag-reach out personally sa kanila because we have another set where we can connect with them to everyone. Tapos nagko-connect kami sa kanila at finally they are there to help. Like Christine, I think, Tintin and I, we never met, right, Tin? First time
No.
namin nag-meet, nag-live na ulit, nag-live, nag-live, nag-live kami. So sabi ko,
Yeah.
napakagandang meet yun, di ba? First time kayong
Yeah.
nag-meet tapos nag-live kayo agad. So,
Mm.
we're sharing a lot of things about this business and we know that one day we can meet each other. So, number one yung community support because all people here, like-minded people sila. Business-minded kung sa atin, sa mga Pilipino, mahilig sila, lalo na mga kapwa nating Pilipino na mga OFW. Kahit saan man kayo, I know, marami kayong part-time na ginagawa, may mga sidelines kayo, may mga side hustles kayong ginagawa. So, isa din to sa mga magandang side hustle na magawa niyo online. Kasi once na nag-run yung business mo, your business is running while you are sleeping. So napakaganda 'yon at may support ka with the community kung kailangan mo ng support, right? At isa pa dun, yung pinakamagaling dito sa business namin, we have a training. So yung training na yun, video-based siya. So kailangan talaga may knowledge ka sa English. Pero we also have may available sa mga translation kung ibang ano nga, may mga kapwa kami mga Arabic, mga from Africa.
Vietnamese.
Oo, ginagawa din namin and at least maybe this year or the coming year, mag-ano na kami ah, ng aming business, ng aming na may mga translation na available kasi yung kapwa namin mga business partner, we help each other na mag-translate na sa ano natin sa language. And I hope there's also a Filipino language soon available. But for now, you can use also the app. We have that app that available in our training that will translate yung mga video, lalo na mga video. Di ba, Tin?
Yes, it is. Yeah, and for me, very important is flexibility.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi I'm working full time as a healthcare worker here in Norway. So sometimes yesterday I worked afternoon shift, and then today I'm working day shift because I have two small kids. So it's very important na I know where to, like, where to put my business, or where to start my business, and where to run my business, and when to run the business. So it's very nice to have a flexible time, especially if you're a working mom. And I have two kids, so, and the freedom of time that you can share with your kids. Pwede kang gumawa ng business mo, pwede kang gawin mo lahat in the mall, or while you were walking, or while you were with the kids. So very, very nice talaga siya. I hope Percy will be coming in because the business is flexible. But we're still waiting for her, because she's also a busy mom.
Kaya nga, totoo yan. Napakaganda po ng business kasi you can control your time. You can manage your
Mm.
time. Katulad ni Tintin, he was working as a nurse, tapos ginagawa lang niya itong part-time. So while she was
Yes.
working there, ang business naman, nagra-run naman siya behind the background, diba, Tin?
Yeah. And
So
while you are sleeping,
napaka-easy mag-handle ng business. Tapos hindi mo na kailangan ng inventory. Kasi dati mayroon akong sariling business, mayroon akong clothes shop. Ang traditional business kasi maraming bagay-bagay na unexpected lang dumadating na
yeah.
kailangan mong i-handle lalo na sa mga expenses. Pero sa
Mm.
online naman, wala ka ng inventory doon. Hindi mo na kailangan yung mga din siya, taxable din siya. Yes, it is taxable also dahil legit siya, di ba?
Yes, yes,
So, taxable
yes.
na siya, legit din siya, pero wala ka ng
Mm.
marami pang babayaran na rent or anything. Kasi sa traditional, kailangan mo magbayad ng tubig, ng kuryente, ng rent mo,
Yes.
tapos every 3 months may babayaran ka, tapos may monthly ka pa na binabayaran, di ba?
Mm.
So,
And the good thing with
napakahirap.
this one, like for me, I registered my business here in Norway. So since this is a digital business, so my phone bill, so like a slice of my phone bill, I charge it to the business because I'm using the phone, my internet,
Mhm. Yeah,
my home, even my home. So the cost of my home is like slice of it, it goes to the business.
yeah.
Like instead of like looking for a place where I can start my business, or I can like open the business. So I'm just doing here at home. So
Tama.
parang napaka-flexible talaga niya kasi pwede mo siyang gawin, and then at the same time, pwede mo pa rin siyang gamitin as your expenses or overhead expenses to your business. And then you
Yeah.
can file it sa tax and then it will come back to you as a tax return.
Mm. Mm. Napaka-ano talaga, easy lang sa pag-ano, sa gamit ng business na 'to, sa paggawa ng business na 'to dahil alam mo na may mga training ka na, nasa complete na yung training mo. So, susundin mo na lang yung mga training kung ano yung sinasabi, kung anong gawin mo para maging grow pa yung business
Mm.
mo. Nandun na lahat, 'di ba? Lahat na app na gusto mong malaman, tinuturo niyan. Tapos isa pa dun, mayroon kaming, webinar. So, yung webinar namin every Tuesday and Thursday,
And
pero
Thursday.
mayroon ka talagang webinar once you are a member of our community, may webinar kami every Wednesday. So, yung webinar na yan, marami kang matutunan. As in maano, parang mali-lift up yung spirit mo kung paano mo gawin yung business mo. Dahil, alam mo, sa totoo lang, maraming Filipino na napakaka-inspire ng mga story nila sa business na to. Ang dami nila na
And it changed
i-share
their
nila yung,
lives.
they share their life, they share kung paano nila ginawa yung business. Sa totoo lang, it's not easy. It's not quick.
Yeah.
Totoo po yun. Wala namang mabilis na business na agad-agad ano ka, di ba? Walang business na gano'n. Kailangan mo talagang paghirapan, kailangan mo pagtuunan at bigyan mo siya ng time talaga.
Oras.
Dahil iyon yung yun yung gusto mong ano, 'di ba? Yung gusto natin matupad yung mga pangarap natin para sa pamilya, pangarap natin na matupad yung mga gusto nating gawin, 'di ba? So, kung gusto mo 'yan, mag-start ka talaga from the very beginning. I-push mo muna
Yeah.
'yon.
Push mo muna
At
yung sarili
kung
and
magaling ka
proper
lang
mindset.
oo, si Tintin, how long you've been here? For a year na, 'di
I
ba, Tin?
start less than a year. I started February
Oh, and Tintin is
2023.
doing really great with her business. Minsan nagugulat ka na lang, like what happened to
Yeah,
Tintin, we're just
magugulat
talking
ka
last
na.
week and we're just talking and he received a good news. So, magugulat ka lang
Mhm.
sa business na 'to and
Yeah.
I'm very proud na I own one of this business kasi malaki din yung binigay ko na oras, malaki din yung ano ko. Alam ko na patungo tayo lahat doon sa magandang kinabukasan kung ipu-push mo yung ginagawa mo. Right, Tin?
Yes. And proper mindset. Always be
Mm.
consistent in what you're doing. And of
Yeah.
course, prayer na because if it's not for you, it's not gonna happen yet. But if it's for you, then with the help of your faith and prayer, syempre, it will fall into proper place in a right
Mhm.
time. So proper mindset lang talaga and never give up.
Tama 'yan, tama 'yan. Because and kung ano pa 'yan 'pag nagwo-work ka, with the community members lalo na dito kami ni Tintin at ni Percy, we work together even though we are independent in our business. But we're trying to help each
Mhm.
other. So, napakaganda ng feeling na there's no competition, there's no
Mhm.
hindi hindi ka dapat, siya lang maangat dahil ikaw ay may pag-asa din sa sarili mo. So, it's your own business kung paano mo siya i-move forward yung mga nalalaman mo, i-apply yung
Mhm.
mga nalalaman mo at i-committed ka na gagawin 'yan. Of course, yung sinabi ni Tintin, pray and faith. Kasi yung faith
And
mo,
the good thing here is hindi to pabilisan.
yeah,
So you have your own pace, you have your own time. Um, so kung gusto mo na mabagal ka, pwede. Gusto mo mag-pause kasi nababurnout ka, napapagod ka, marami ka iniisip, pwede rin.
yeah,
Gusto mo mag-continue, mabilis ka, pwede rin yun. So it depends on you. So the flexibility talaga, bahala ka kung paano mo patatakbuhin. Like the traditional business. So
yeah,
kung gusto mo magsipag, syempre talagang hassle ka. Pero kung gusto mo na parang ganun lang, na parang relax lang, so relax rin lang talaga yung business mo. So it
yeah,
depends
tama
on you
'yan.
on how the business will work.
Hey! here we come. Let's welcome our business partner, Percy. Hello, Percy. How are you?
Oh,
Hi,
finally.
ladies. Sorry.
Patapos na kami.
Huh?
So, Percy, can you introduce yourself and continue? What are the most reason um why to start this online business?
Are we live, Michelle?
Yes, we are
Yes, we
live.
are.
Hi.
We're 15 minutes live
Hi.
now.
Yeah, okay. Hi, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. I'm Percy from Belgium. I am a mom of a young teenage boy and business mentor. And also, I'm a full-time employee in textile industry and of course, business owner as well. So today our topic is what about that, Michelle?
Most reason? Your reason why to start this online business. So we said Tintin and we said about that automation, community support, freedom and flexibility. So how about yours?
Uh, um, about me, about our business is we have our business. We don't have a barriers. So I have words a little bit here, so I can follow it. So wait for a while. So, with no barriers, let's say if you start a franchise, you need a lot of money, right? So, meaning if no barriers, our business no need a specific location. We can work anywhere. Unlike a franchise, you have a specific place. You only serve a people nearby in your place. Unlike ours, you can operate locally, but your business reach globally.
Yes, tama yun.
That's yeah. Yun
Yeah.
yung ang sa akin yung barriers ng walang barriers yung ating business.
Right. Thank you for coming up, Percy.
Yeah. Sorry, late ako ng konti.
So, to every one of you who are watching us, if you are in our pages, and we would like to invite you. Today is Wednesday, so tomorrow, Thursday, we have a live webinar at 5 p.m. PST time. So, kung gusto mo lang, kung kapwa natin Filipino na kung saan-saan ka man dito sa Europe, at gusto mo mag-start ng sarili mong digital business, reach out to us and we are here willing to help you and willing to mentor you. So, kung nasa ano ka man sa Belgium or nasa Norway or any part of here in Europe na medyo malapit sa atin, you can join us. So, I think that's all we can share for today, everyone. Right, ladies?
Yeah, and thank you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful night. And thank you, ladies.
Thank you also, even though I'm late.
It's okay. So have a great night,
It's okay.
everyone. See you in the next episode of EU-based Pinay Digital Entrepreneur. Maybe next week. So bye now.
Maybe
Bye
next week.
bye.